Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a 004 error in game League of Legends. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. I hope this video is helpful for you. So okay guys, the first method is that first of all, going to your PC, go to your C drive and go to your Riot Games. After doing this that, you can go to your League of Legends, and after opening that you can delete a config and logs folder. Right click and click on delete button. Okay guys, after doing this, deleting that, okay, close the logs. If the game is running, then closing that, go to your task manager. If there is a game is running, okay guys, now you can see that is running. So first of all, you can end task it, close it, and once again go to your folder is League of Legends and close, delete the logs. Now you can see that this is deleted. Okay guys, after doing this that, open a League of Legends. I am sure that after doing this that your problem has been fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that right click on League of Legends icon and go to your properties. After doing this that, you can go to your compatibility, and now you can check it, run this program as administrator. So check it and click on apply button and click on a OK button. Okay guys, after doing this that, open a League of Legends, and after doing this that, it's required of a few minutes to repair all files, and after doing this that, all your problem has been fixed. I'm sure that now you can see that this working will be started. So it's required of a few minutes. So I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.